Hello. Hi. So, since I'm home today, I thought I'll be asking you guys this question. Are you afraid? Do you have the guts to get what you want in life? Remember, everything you want is on the other side of fear. For me, this has been my mantra for the longest time, and it has got me to do so many things that I thought that I couldn't do. Fearing something or even someone and not doing anything about it just brings you down. So, to accomplish whatever you want, to create whatever you have envisioned for your life, and to be the person that you desire to be, you need guts. For me, I had to be brave, confident, and dare to do things that I would normally never even imagine in my life. So, go on, weigh out the risk of your decisions wisely, but be bold enough to make things happen. Instead of having fear rule you, just let it to fuel you and you'll see the difference. So that's all I have to share with you today. Take care. Bye bye.